Today, the way of making buttons has changed a lot, but the texture is still the same. The buttons, which were made 5,000 years ago, also had similar designs to the ones we have now. The archaeologists have confirmed that discovery of buttons happened in India itself. Not only this, but the Indus civilization has given one more gift to India as well as to the whole world. Well, it is a measuring scale, an object with some markings made on it. It's quite fascinating to know that while drilling the Indus Valley, there were some measuring scales found, which had somewhat similar designs to the ones we use nowadays. And many of such rulers were found in Lothal, which was an excavation site in Indus Valley. Now, the question arises, were these scales also discovered in India? Well, answer to this is yes. The time period of Lothal is said to be near about 2400 BC. Which means that almost 4,400 years ago, the Indians had already found and started the use of scales for measuring different objects.
When you go to the shopping marts to buy the things that you need, and there you see things around you, but you find nothing new because you have been seeing them since childhood. But if you ask your father or grandfather, they will tell you that there is so much change in today's time and their time. And then you see that the things found in the market have changed so much in 50 to 60 years to the changes that have been going in technical advances for near about thousands of years have changed our lives so much. Let's take an example of a water bottle. What's the use of a water bottle? Firstly, men used to drink water with their hands, then they would have found need to take water from one place to another. Then someone would have developed dishes using the leaves of a tree. After that, earthen pot must have been invented after the changes in the technology developed. Then someone would have developed plastic or plastic bottle, then innovated caps and the hinges for the bottle to cover. Therefore, in today's time, you get that water bottle. Not only this, everything else in the mall has been developed and changed in the same way. If you will stand around the mall, you will realize that malls are actually the museums of human work history. If we are talking about human work history, the world's oldest Indian civilization contribution is necessary to be mentioned. We have given so many gifts to the world. Not only this, there are many such more inventions inside the Indian border which are uncounted. Now, that was all about our part, but today's young Indians are working to include the future of the world. Recently, the youths of our country have developed bamboo prostheses.